All right, everybody, welcome to KwhOnlyEv channel. Here's another trick to charging your EGMP vehicle, EV6, Ionic 5, Ionic 6, GV60, even Kia EV6. So this is what I'm about to show you, okay? Using your Tesla, charging your vehicle with a Tesla wall connector. So let me go ahead and grab my universal wall connector. Here we go. Open the car, the charge port door. Plug it in and try it again and send the app through the app, and it should start now. And there we go, charging started. As you can see, and it's saying the car's charging. Subscribe to the channel and like the video.